Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your science teacher, Mrs. Hina Javed. How are you? Hope you all are fine and enjoying holidays. Dear students, now we will start unit number 3, that is types of living things, plants. In previous unit, unit number 2, we have discussed types of living things, that was animals. Now we will start types of living things, plant. We know very well plants are living things. All plants can be put into one large group, that is called the plant group, or we can say plant kingdom. All plants can be put into one large group, that is called the plant group, or we can say plant kingdom. Now students, first we will discuss important parts of a plant. Important parts of plants are root, stem, leaves, bud, flower, fruit and seeds. Important parts of plants are root, you can see here roots, that is a lower parts of a plant, stem, this is a stem, you can see here stem, leaves, this is a green part of a plant, that is leaves, buds, this is bud, flower, fruit and seeds. So important parts of a plant: root, stem, leaves, bud, flower, fruit and seeds. Now students, we will discuss one by one the important parts of a plant. So we will start from bud. Let's take a closer look at the bud. Buds protect the baby flower, or we can say buds protect the baby leaf. You can see here baby leaf from the harmful effects, or we can say from the harmful elements of nature. Buds protect the baby flower. Buds protect the baby leaf. You can see here baby leaf protects the baby leaf from the harmful element of nature. So buds are very important part for the plant because it protects the flower. It protects the baby leaf. Buds protect the baby flower, or we can say buds protect the baby leaf from the harmful element of nature. Now students, let's talk to another part of a plant, that is flower. Flowers are most beautiful part of plant. Flowers are attractive and colorful part of a plant. Flowers attract bees and other insects towards them. You can see here more beautiful, colorful flower. It is most important part of a plant. Flowers, attractive and colorful part of a plant. Flowers are the reproductive part of a plant. Flowers attract bees and other insects. Now students, let's discuss another part of a plant, that are leaves. You can see here sunflower plant leaves. Leaves are food factory for plants. They are most important part of a plant. Photosynthesis takes place in leaves. Leaves are most important part of a plant because plant prepare their food by the help of green leaves. Most important part of a plant because photosynthesis takes place in leaves or during photosynthesis process plants can make their own food. So leaves are the most important part of a plant. They are food factory for plants. It means photosynthesis take place in the part of leaves, green leaves. Photosynthesis take place in green leaves. Now let's talk about another important parts of a plant that are fruits and seeds. You can see here sunflower seeds. They both are important parts of a plant. Mostly fruits contain excess food and seeds. Fruits help the plant to disperse their seed. Fruit and seeds, they both are important parts of a plant. Fruit contain excess food and seeds. Fruits helps the plant to disperse their seeds. It means they both are also very important part of a plant. Another part of a plant that is stem. You can see here sunflower stem. Stems like a pillar of a plant. Stems hold the plant upright. Stem carries food, water, and minerals to all parts of a plant. Stems, you can see here, they are just like a pillar of a plant. Stems, just like a pillar of a plant. They holds the plant upright. Stem holds the plant upright. It holds the plant upright. It carries food, water, and minerals to all parts of a plant. Now let's talk to another part of a plant that are roots. Roots help plant to absorb water and minerals from the soil. They help plant to absorb water and minerals from the soil. They act as an anchor. When the winds are harsh, the roots make sure that the plant stays firm. So it is important part of a plant. You can see here roots. They help plant to absorb water and minerals from the soil. It is just like an anchor. Support the plant. When the winds are harsh, the roots make sure that the plant stays firm. Now, dear students, it's trivia time for you all. Did you know 90% of food that humans eat come from 30 species of plants? But the earth has more than 80,000 species of edible plants. 90% of food that humans eat come from only 30 species of plants. But there are on the earth has more than 80,000 species of edible foods. Hope students, you learned well. You will read the same pages from your book at your home. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.